Welcome to our exploration of Japan's dynamic startup scene, where innovation and strategy fuse to create groundbreaking enterprises that captivate global markets. In this series, we delve into the stories of 3 startups that have not only achieved significant success in Japan but have also made notable impacts worldwide. Our focus will be on Mercari, Preferred Networks, and SmartHR, 3 diverse companies that exemplify the spirit and potential of Japanese entrepreneurship. Mercari, launched in 2013, revolutionized the way people buy and sell items through their smartphones. As Japan's first unicorn startup, Mercari created a secure, user-friendly platform that addressed the unique needs of consumers, facilitating a new culture of consumer-to-consumer interaction that has since expanded internationally. Next, we turn our attention to Preferred Networks, founded in 2014. This startup stands at the forefront of artificial intelligence, specializing in deep learning, robotics, and big data. Collaborating with industrial giants like Toyota and Fanuc, Preferred Networks seeks to transform industries through AI-driven solutions, pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve in conjunction with human creativity. Lastly, we explore SmartHR. Since its inception in 2013, SmartHR has dramatically changed the landscape of human resources in Japan. By automating tedious administrative tasks, SmartHR allows companies to focus more on strategic human engagement and less on paperwork, proving that smart solutions can lead to significant improvements in productivity and employee satisfaction. These companies, though varied in their domains, all share a common thread: they were born from a vision to solve real-world problems through innovative solutions. As we move through this series, we will uncover the strategies that propelled these companies to success, analyze the challenges they faced, and extract valuable lessons that aspiring entrepreneurs can apply in their ventures. Join us as we delve deeper into the journeys of these trailblazing companies, starting with a closer look at the strategic moves that defined their paths to success in the next chapter. In this chapter, we explore the innovative strategies that have driven Mercari, Preferred Networks, and SmartHR to the forefront of Japan's startup scene and beyond. Each of these companies implemented unique approaches that not only solved pressing issues but also set them apart in highly competitive markets. Mercari has mastered the art of simplicity and security in online transactions. In a market where consumer trust is paramount, Mercari introduced a user-friendly app that simplified the buying and selling process. Their key strategy was to ensure robust security measures and a seamless user interface, making online shopping as easy and safe as possible. Mercari also implemented a feedback system that fostered community trust and user accountability, essential features that helped them scale rapidly. Moving on to Preferred Networks, this startup excelled by leveraging cutting-edge technology in artificial intelligence. Their strategic edge came from partnerships with major industrial companies, allowing them to apply their AI research in practical, impactful ways. For instance, their collaboration with Toyota helped integrate AI technology into vehicles to enhance driving safety and efficiency. Preferred Networks focused on developing AI that could learn and adapt in real time, which was crucial for applications in robotics and data analysis, sectors hungry for innovation. SmartHR, meanwhile, transformed the human resources sector by automating administrative tasks, a significant pain point in many businesses. Their strategy hinged on the development of a user-friendly platform that could handle complex HR tasks like payroll processing and employee benefits management efficiently. By reducing the time companies spent on these tasks, SmartHR enabled businesses to focus more on strategic human resource management. Additionally, SmartHR's emphasis on compliance with Japanese labor laws ingratiated them with businesses wary of legal complications in HR processes. Each of these strategies was not just about innovation for its own sake, they addressed specific market needs and removed barriers to user engagement and operational efficiency. Mercari made online marketplaces more accessible and trustworthy, Preferred Networks pushed the practical application of AI, and SmartHR streamlined essential HR processes, demonstrating a keen understanding of their customers' needs. As we conclude this chapter, it's clear that the success of these startups can be attributed to their strategic vision and execution, which not only fulfilled immediate market needs but also anticipated future trends and challenges. These strategies provide valuable lessons for new startups looking to make their mark in the competitive business landscape. In this chapter, we delve into the core philosophies that have shaped the cultures and strategic directions of Mercari, Preferred Networks, and SmartHR. Understanding these foundational beliefs is crucial, as they not only influence company decisions but also contribute significantly to their success and sustainability. Mercari operates on the philosophy of empowering people. By creating a platform that democratizes buying and selling, Mercari has cultivated a marketplace that encourages users from all backgrounds to engage in entrepreneurial activities. This philosophy extends beyond simple transactions. It's about creating a community where individuals feel safe and supported. Mercari's focus on trust and user empowerment through robust security measures and transparent communication reflects its commitment to its core values. Preferred Networks takes pride in its commitment to advancing the frontier of intelligence. This philosophy is not just about pushing technological boundaries but also about creating AI solutions that benefit humanity. Their projects, often developed in collaboration with industry giants, aim to solve real-world problems efficiently and innovatively. Preferred Networks believes that AI should augment human abilities and help society overcome some of its most significant challenges, particularly in industrial and automotive sectors. SmartHR, meanwhile, champions the idea of liberating administrative stress. In a country known for its rigorous work culture, SmartHR has sought to simplify complex HR tasks to make workplace environments more human-centric. Their platform not only automates administrative processes but also ensures compliance and accuracy, which are paramount in HR management. This philosophy has resonated deeply within the Japanese market, where efficiency and reliability are highly valued. These underlying philosophies highlight a crucial aspect of startup success: the alignment of business goals with core values. Each company, in adhering to its philosophy, has managed to carve out a unique identity and value proposition that resonates with its customers and differentiates it from competitors. This alignment ensures consistency in decision-making, aids in navigating challenges, and fosters a strong, cohesive company culture that can sustain growth over the long term. As we conclude this chapter, it becomes evident that the success of Mercari, Preferred Networks, and SmartHR is deeply intertwined with their commitment to their philosophies. For startups looking to emulate this success, the lesson is clear: foundational beliefs are not just corporate fluff but essential elements of strategic vision and cultural cohesion. As we wrap up our exploration of three remarkable Japanese startups, Mercari, Preferred Networks, and SmartHR, we've uncovered a wealth of insights into what propels a startup to success. This final chapter will distill these insights into actionable lessons for aspiring entrepreneurs and business leaders. First, we've seen that a clear and passionate commitment to a core philosophy is not just inspirational but operational. Mercari's emphasis on empowering individuals, Preferred Networks' focus on advancing AI to benefit humanity, and Smart's dedication to liberating administrative stress are not merely slogans. They are actionable directives that inform every product feature, customer interaction, and strategic decision. For startups aiming for lasting impact, aligning your business with a strong, value-driven mission is crucial. Second, the importance of innovation tailored to solve real problems has been a recurring theme. Each company we studied did not innovate in a vacuum. Instead, they focused on technologies and solutions that addressed specific pain points in their markets. Mercari simplified the complexities of online selling and buying, Preferred Networks tackled challenges in industrial AI, and SmartHR streamlined human resources tasks, enhancing overall business efficiency. Startups must focus on customer-centric innovations that clearly address existing market needs or anticipate future demands. Furthermore, adaptability and strategic partnerships have played significant roles in scaling these startups. As markets evolve and new technologies emerge, the ability to pivot and adapt strategies accordingly has been essential. Collaborating with established players has also provided these startups with resources and market access that accelerated their growth and fortified their market positions. In conclusion, the journey of these startups teaches us that success is multifaceted. It requires a blend of vision, strategic execution, and continuous innovation. Whether you are just beginning your startup journey or seeking to innovate within an existing enterprise, the lessons from Mercari, Preferred Networks, and SmartHR offer valuable guidance. Embrace a philosophy that resonates deeply with your vision, innovate with purpose to solve real problems, and remain adaptable to navigate the ever-changing business landscape. By embodying these principles, you too can set the foundation for a successful and sustainable business.